welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing how to turn putty into slime. I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Well, without any further ado, let's just get straight on with the video. What you need: a bowl, a microwave safe bowl, mixing tool, your putty, and some water. You also need a microwave. What you want to do is take a bit of your putty. You only want to experiment with this, so I would only say take about half of your putty so you can try a few different recipes. We're going to be doing 2 today. One of them is an experiment, never done it. The other one will work. So this one, you will just put it in the bowl. You'll put half of it into the bowl and put a bit of water into it. You don't want to put too much, otherwise it'll make it jiggly. So only put a little bit. And then once you've done that, put it in the microwave for 10 seconds until it's melted. 10 seconds at a time until it's melted. Mine's like mostly melted after being in the microwave for 20 seconds. And I'm just mixing all of the water into it. Now that you've done that, you want to put it back in the microwave until it's completely melted, like it's like water basically. Because then, instead of doing 2 different recipes, I'm going to be putting this into it and it will thicken up. So you don't want it like this where it's still slimy, you want it completely melted. And if you want, you can add a bit more water at this stage, but that's about it. Disclaimer, with working with melted or hot PVA, make sure to have parental supervision because it can burn your hands. Also, make sure to be very careful with it and make sure not to burn yourself. Full instructions, if you don't understand the one I'm saying now, they will be in the description in the box below. So make sure to go check them out if you don't know. Make sure not to put it all in because mine's been in about a minute and it's still not fully melted, so I'm just keeping it in longer. Make sure to not put it in a long time at once because this putty will puff up and it can leak over the bowl and damage your microwave. So make sure just to do it 10 seconds at a time until it's fully liquid. About 4 lots of water because it is putty and it won't turn jiggly fast, and otherwise it won't fully melt if you just try to keep putting it in the microwave. So you do want to add quite a bit of water, but not too much. Probably a little less than half the amount of slime, and if it still isn't fully melted, then I would add more from then on. So mine's looking, it's still pretty slime-like, so I'm just going to keep putting it in the microwave 10 seconds at a time and keep adding water. At this stage, you can add some lotion or colouring or glitter. I'm just going to add some paint. I'm still going to keep putting it in the microwave. I just thought it'd be nice to add paint at this time so you can see what colour you're getting. The background noise, it's just in the microwave. You do want to keep doing trial and error, so just keep putting it in the microwave and taking it out. You want to be very patient. About 5 minutes of keep putting it in the microwave, mine is now fully liquid. So I am now just going to wait for this to cool, and then when it does, add my putty. Make sure it's only a little bit, add my putty into here. So I'll see you guys when this cools. What you want to do is only take a bit of your putty and put it in your bowl. Then you want to put a bit of water in it and microwave it for 10 seconds at a time. The only reason you want to take a bit of your putty is because if you do fail, you can fix it with mixing it with the other putty. But if nothing goes wrong, you can use the other putty and do the exact same. Just editing the video, and I want to say we are not going to add this putty into the slime because once it cools down and it's been in the microwave, it actually gets like slime. So you do not want to mix it in. So forget what I just said before.
It all cooled down and it is so good. It stretches so good now and it is like slime. And all I did was keep adding water into it and keep putting it in the microwave. I added nothing else to it. It's a really nice slime, and I definitely recommend it. This is the putty. make this slime. I definitely recommend doing this recipe, but it doesn't make it the best slime, but it does make it slime. The key for this is to add quite a lot of water, but do not add too much because, like I said before, it will make it jiggly.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to try out this recipe at home if you have any putty that you want to turn into slime. I really hope you like this video, and see you guys next time. Bye! Hey guys, so I lost some in the footage, so I didn't do the second experiment, but I really hoped you enjoyed the first one, and that is the one I did is the one that worked. So I really hoped you enjoyed.